Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Talk by Sara English. Today, I am going to talk about my daily routine in slow, simple English so you can listen carefully, understand every word, and practice speaking with me. I hope you relax, breathe, and enjoy learning. Every day, I usually wake up around 7 o'clock in the morning. When I wake up, I take a few seconds to stretch my arms and breathe slowly. Then I sit up, check the time, and smile because a new day has started. After that, I get out of bed and walk to the bathroom to wash my face with cold water. The cold water helps me feel fresh and awake. Then I brush my teeth slowly and carefully. After I finish, I go to the kitchen to drink a glass of water because it helps my body feel healthy. Sometimes I drink warm water, sometimes normal water, depending on how I feel that morning. After drinking water, I make my breakfast. My breakfast is usually very simple. Sometimes I eat eggs, sometimes I eat bread with peanut butter, and sometimes I eat fruit, like bananas or apples. I like light and easy food in the morning. While I eat breakfast, I like to listen to soft music or a short English podcast so I can start my day calmly. After breakfast, I sit at my desk and plan my day. I write down what I need to do, what classes I will teach, and what goals I want to complete. Planning helps me stay organized. Then I start my work. I usually teach English online, so I turn on my laptop, check my messages, and prepare my lesson. When my class starts, I talk to my students, help them understand English, and make sure they feel confident speaking. Teaching makes me happy because I enjoy meeting people from many different countries. After teaching, I take a short break to relax my eyes and stretch my body. Sometimes I walk around my room or make a cup of tea. Around lunchtime, I feel hungry, so I cook something simple. It can be rice, vegetables, chicken, or noodles. After lunch, I clean my kitchen and take a small rest. In the afternoon, I usually work again, study something new, or practice a language. Sometimes I watch educational videos, sometimes I read a book, and sometimes I take notes to improve myself. I try to keep learning every day. When the sun starts to go down, I like to go outside for a walk. Walking helps me feel peaceful. I look at the sky, listen to sounds around me, and think about my day. In the evening, I come home, take a shower, and feel fresh again. Then I eat dinner, which is usually lighter than lunch. After dinner, I spend time with my family, talk to them, laugh a little, and enjoy their company. At night, I sit quietly and relax. Sometimes I journal about my day, sometimes I meditate, and sometimes I just sit with my thoughts. When I feel sleepy, I go to my bed, turn off the lights, and thank God for the day. Then I slowly close my eyes and fall asleep. This is my simple daily routine. You can use it to practice your speaking. Listen again, repeat after me, and try to make your own daily routine in English. Thank you so much for watching Talk by Sara English. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!